green frog, pink bear, brown sloth, red fish, orange tiger, green pig, gray dog, pink pig, blue dog, black and white panda bear, green crab, gray elephant, red and blue woodpecker, yellow duck, pink starfish, yellow dog, blue kitty cat, brown horse, pink owl, orange starfish, blue reindeer, blue shark, green frog, pink bear, brown sloth, red fish, orange tiger, green pig, gray dog, pink pig, blue dog, black and white panda bear, green crab, gray elephant, red and blue woodpecker, yellow duck, pink starfish, yellow dog, blue kitty cat, brown horse, pink owl, pink, orange starfish, orange, blue reindeer, blue shark, hey guys, thanks for watching Squishee Nugget. Please subscribe and we'll see you on our next show.